Well, we are still in the Daniel Boone National Forest. Been bouncing around this Red River Gorge area for about the last week and few days. Kelly was able to come out and meet up with me here. So from what I've explored around here, it seems like there's kind of two options here. You're either up above the gorge or down in the gorge. And spent most of my time up on the ridge lines above the gorge. So we're coming back down into the gorge and going to try to find a place to camp for a good another 5 days or so. Complete out the 14-day stay. So yeah, just cruising around. Going to see what we can find for a camp. Away we go. The Red River, National Wild and Scenic River. Okay, I'm kind of feeling this little area down here by Indian Creek. Check it out. Hidden these soft spots here. Well, I think this is going to be camp for at least a night or two, depending on how crowded it gets. I just kind of get the feeling that maybe on the weekends this is a popular spot, but right by Indian Creek here, really pretty. It is just a beautiful day. Yes, our little setup here. A nice fire ring. So it is kind of nice to be back down in the gorge. We've just been kind of overnighting in trailhead parking lots, so we actually have a little bit of a camp here where we can get set up and enjoy our little space here. Well, there's the finished product there. Still gotta put some oil on it, but a little spreader for spreading butter and peanut butter and that. It has been very nice and peaceful here. We've been very fortunate and kind of had this whole little area to ourselves. So just to be able to sit over by the creek side here, have a nice peaceful morning. I do love my getting out and hiking and venturing and exploring, but these down days by camp, where you can just work on craft and enjoy your campsite, is really special. You saw some otters swimming around here in the creek earlier.